Kia ora koutou, I'm Adrian Woodhouse. I'm the Food Science student at Otago Polytechnic in Dunedin, New Zealand, and this is
Chloe Humphreys, also from the Food Design Institute here in Dunedin, New Zealand.
And we've been asked to answer this question, what does research and innovation mean to me? So for myself, I come from the field from culinary arts. I teach within the field of culinary arts. So research and innovation for me is really about being at the forefront, at the vanguard of my practice in terms of my teaching practice. So for me, my research is generally located within understanding how my practice as an educator, my pedagogic practice, can be improved and advanced upon. Often we can be comfortable in our practice, but the excitement that comes through research is going into the wider sphere of knowledge and asking questions about how might we do things differently for the interests of our learners and the community that we operate within. How about for you, Chloe?
Yeah, absolutely. Completely agree. I think to add to that, working with our students here in the design school, the thought of innovation can sometimes be quite a scary thought, coming up with these completely new and novel things. Teaching on a design degree, we're asking them to innovate, but I guess part of our process is unveiling some of the tools and processes behind innovation. And of course, that involves understanding existing solutions to things, new perspectives, different ways of looking at things, and thinking about how we can use that knowledge and those existing solutions and adapt them to make incremental changes to create different ideas or new things, especially in the world of food.
Fantastic. Well, Nui, as we would say in the deep south of New Zealand. Thanks for listening, and yeah, I hope that provided a little bit of insight into who we are and what we value in terms of research and innovation.
Kia ora. Thank you.